So one of the things I've been working on is using server-sent events or server-side events. I don't know which is the correct way to do it, or the correct name for it. But if we go to the console, I believe I did have this working. Oh, I gotta be careful not to show my secrets here. I might have already done that. No, we're good, I think. I didn't use great practice about hiding my secrets for this project so far because I wasn't planning on doing a stream, but then I decided to do it. So oh, this isn't where I got it to work, I don't think. Yeah, this is not where I was successful. Okay, I guess we're not doing this right now then. Darn, that's unfortunate. I wonder where I had it working. Let me just look at my stream and make sure that this is working. I'm a little nervous about the quality because I'm streaming off of the same computer with which I am editing. And historically, I've used a capture card in a different computer. So, the same computer with which I am editing. Oh, that's actually decent quality, it seems like. Cool. All right. What do I want to do then? I have two projects that I think would be pretty cool to work on. The first of which is I kind of want to return to TickerTab. TickerTab was a project I was working on. I uploaded a video about it a while ago. And basically, I once again want to start from scratch using create-t3-app. And also server-sent events for some of the features. The other option is I have an idea for a video optimization project. Basically where you upload your videos and then using a VM with a GPU attached to it, apply some machine learning transformations that are open source. Like there's one called Rife, which is pretty cool. I've actually tested it in a VM. It works out nicely. Basically the problem that I need to handle at this point is like probably some sort of queue that like tracks which videos have yet to be optimized and then go ahead and optimize them. For the time being though, I don't think I'm going to work on that. I think I would rather work on TickerTab. So let's try that. We'll say create npx, make this bigger. Okay. I can make this even bigger still. npx create T3 app, TickerTab. I don't know if you've used this or not before, but I'm a fan of all of this. It seems really, it's a good way to get up and going. I don't know. I can't think and talk at the same time here. Okay. Next off, we want authentication. Prisma, yes. Tailwind, yes. I would never try to style a website again without Tailwind. And TRPC, yes. I'm a little bit nervous about TRPC though because I did see that. Oh, what's the guy who made this? I can't remember his name. But there's apparently a new version of TRPC coming out, so that live stream actually might still be going on. I don't know if there's a way for me to keep my comments up. No one's chatting anyways, so it's fine. I think what we can do in the meantime is I use shuffle.dev for a lot of my UI creations. I'm just going to give away some of my projects. It's probably too late. I think this was the one that I was using for ticker tab. This is shuffle.dev. It's a great product, although there are definitely a lot of ways that it can grow, and I hope to see that happen in the future. So I guess we'll see what comes of that. Let's see. We'll copy the HTML here. And I could focus on developing this as a mobile first application, but ultimately I don't think anyone's going to use this on mobile. So we're just going to treat it, let's see, I guess, interesting. I guess the UI might be able to handle it. I don't know. I'm not going to focus on mobile, but if the Tailwind class is already supported, then I guess no harm, no foul. npx prisma db push. Okay. And I believe this is just going to use a local, SQLite database. Let's see. DB SQLite. Yeah, okay, right here. And then npm run dev. Okay. This might take a second to spin up. In the meantime, we'll go to source and we want a components folder. I don't know if utils, no. Components is where it'll be. I'll make a navigation folder, a nav folder. We'll say sidebar.tsx. Export const. This might not work very well with editing my code and streaming from the same computer. Might have to change this going forward. Sidebar. Return. And then we'll go this. That's unfortunate. Man, my computer cannot handle this very well. All right, so then in pages and app. Import navbar from components nav sidebar. Did I call it navbar or did I call it sidebar? Const sidebar. come back here. Will this work? Oh my, what have I done wrong? Oh, it's not a default export. Let me see what this stream looks like, what the video quality is. It's very possible that this is just not going well. And historically, I've used a capture card in it. I can't tell if I'm just awkward or if my video is frozen. It looks like I'm just awkwardly just sitting there, just waiting. No, it's working. Okay. Oh, and we have a sidebar. Very nice. Now I think, does it use cool gray? I bet the sidebar uses cool gray. Yeah. Okay. So cool gray. I don't know if this was formerly in Tailwind and it's no longer, but it doesn't work. So there we go. Oh, this is coming along nicely. Okay. And then every time there's an image, we'll append to this shuffle.dev. And then that should fill in these images, although I don't know if next is, oh, okay, that worked. All right, so I have our sidebar. I'm a little bit surprised. There's this container div right here. I would have thought that I had to pass the components as child components. Yeah, I think it's this div down here. Should be this right here. And now the problem that we're going to run into is I don't know how to pass children. It's going to throw a fit with TypeScript. Yeah. Children. So maybe that worked. And then, oh, no, it did not work. Children does not work on. Think something like that, maybe? I'm just gonna have to go to Google. Pass children to React component TypeScript. So I don't know if I can do this as one line. Oh, okay, that seems to work. Might have been the way to do it. And then, oh, come on. Why is it throwing a fit? Is missing in type, okay. I feel like, oh, okay, there we go. Nicely. Oh, where is it? There's definitely a dashboard, stats, graphs. I think we're going to steal this one, and then this thing on the left is going to be a chat box, and this on the right is what we want. So we're going to take the HTML here, and how do we want to organize the files? So we'll have components, and then we'll have app. And then in the app, we're going to have chat.tsx. We'll also have we'll have a chat file. We'll have a graph.tsx, and we'll have chart tsx. Okay, so chat, chart, and graph. We'll start with graph. Export const graph equals turn JSX. Why are we yelling? Don't yell at me. Cool gray becomes gray. And we also need to switch to insert mode. Come on, insert mode, there we go. And then select all of this. There's got to be a better way for me to edit my indentations like that. Why is this throwing a fit? And why is this throwing a fit up here? hopefully this is a decent mic level. Rel. Why does this yell at me rel? Rel's not exist. Interesting. Or does it just didn't get copied all the way? Is everything better? All right, so now we'll add the graph here. And we get nothing. Just get rid of the SVGs. So I think this might be the chat right here. Maybe this is just something I need to do from scratch. Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so graph over here, chat here. Do I think I want to have the chat on the right side? Yes. That would be better. Div is closing tag. Okay, then we're gonna okay, so this div corresponds with itself. This one closes this. This closes this. And this one should be over one. Same thing here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Why am I missing a div? Why am I, where am I missing one? I'm going to come back to this later.